This is episode 3, and let me tell you, it is a meaty episode because it contains the complete pedagogic framework for developing metacognitive capability and self-regulated learning. So this is, if you like, the full Monty. The best way to approach this is to look at it in parts, work at a pace that's comfortable, but make sure that you understand everything. And those main learning outcomes there are these, that you're going to be able to see the various parts of this framework that will lead to developing metacognitive capability and self-regulated learning. So you've got to see the big picture and see the parts and see how the parts relate. It's a little bit like understanding the inside of a car. You look at the old car and the stuff under the bonnet and whatever, and then over time, you know what each part does, how it connects to other parts, how it influences other parts. So the car works as a system, which means that once you know all that, you're probably a motor mechanic. So you can diagnose problems in the car and fix them. So that's an analogy that you can use as you work through this episode. Invariably, if you can do that, you can explain the rationale for the key components, right? And you'll be able to identify the relationship between the key components of the framework and how they work as a dynamic system. So this is your advanced organizer. As I said, it's meaty, but you will get there, I'm sure, with a little bit of volition.